Hi, in this video we are going to talk about adding additional pages to your website. So to add additional pages, click on the Pages section and click Add Edit Pages. In this section you have the option to create nav pages, which are pages that are going to be linked from the top here, or sub-pages. Sub-pages are hidden pages that you would link to from alternate sections in your website. We're going to cover the nav page sections because that's typically what most people use. So I'm going to click Create New Nav Page. And on this page I have a number of options to choose from based on the type of page I want to create. Basic HTML page is a blank slate, so that allows you to put in any kind of content you want. People use this for say exhibition history, or to upload their CV or resume, things like that. A contact form is basically a form that allows people to send email through your website or contact you directly. A blog, this is one of the more popular features. It is a blog, so this is a running, essentially a digital diary of your adventures as an artist. We have certain designs that allow you to post that automatically to your homepage. A really useful feature for keeping people informed on what you are up to. Guestbook allows any visitor to post comments on your website. A couple of these options are for older websites. We keep them basically for backward compatibility. So the sales items and the Etsy listing page are not compatible with current designs, so I'm going to skip over those. External page link allows you to link to another website outside of ImpactFolios. For example, on my personal website, I use this to link to either my Instagram or my Facebook page directly from this top nav bar here. And then a sitemap is just a basically a user-friendly view of everything in your website. If you have a very large website, as your website grows, you add a lot of artwork, you add a lot of content. This is useful for people that might be looking for a certain page or work of art. It is basically just a readable format of everything on your website. So to create one, I'm just going to select the type. So I'm going to select a basic HTML page. I'm going to give it a title. So let's call this resume. That's going to be the title that shows up in this nav bar, or not the nav bar, I'm sorry, the top bar on your browser. The link title is going to be what shows up on this nav bar. So I'm just going to duplicate what I have here, resume. Meta description, if you watch the other video on the site properties, this is important to search engines because it is what describes this particular page on your website. So the description of this page, what does this page do on your website? And keywords, again, keep this relevant to what you do. So if you're a photographer, add photographer. If you're a painter, add oil paintings or plein air, or whatever it is that your genre is. For my purposes, I'm just going to keep it simple and fill this in with resume. When I'm happy with that, I'm going to click Create Page. And then it's going to create it, and then I'm going to add it. So in this section, I'm going to add content to my site. When I'm happy with that content, I can save it. You have options on this page to add some formatting and things like that. I'm not going to get into that. If I refresh my page here, you're going to see this link show up, and I can drill into this, and I've got my content there. So that is the basics of adding a page to your website.